Luxury cars. Sleek, powerful, and often loaded with cutting-edge tech. But let's be honest, luxury doesn't always mean reliable. In fact, many luxury brands get a bad rep for expensive repairs and constant maintenance. In this video, we're counting down top 5 luxury cars that are not only beautiful, but also incredibly reliable. These vehicles combine performance, style, and long-term dependability. Whether you're shopping for your next ride or just dreaming big, this list is for you. Number 5. Lexus LS. Lexus is practically the king of luxury reliability, and the LS is their flagship sedan. Known for its whisper-quiet cabin, buttery smooth ride, and advanced tech, the LS also delivers years, if not decades, of dependable performance. With proper maintenance, it's not uncommon to see LS models go beyond 300,000 miles. Now that's luxury that lasts. Number 4. Audi A4. Audi isn't always known for bulletproof reliability, but the A4 is an exception. Recent models, especially from 2018 onward, have shown impressive durability and fewer mechanical issues compared to other German competitors. It's a perfect blend of sporty handling, premium interiors, and now, better than ever, reliability. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This car has been the gold standard for mid-size luxury sedans for decades. And unlike some of the more tech-heavy S-Class models, the E-Class balances innovation with long-term dependability. It's not just beautiful, it's built like a tank. Just make sure you keep up with regular maintenance and it'll reward you for years to come. Number 2. Volvo XC60. Volvo has been quietly building some of the most reliable luxury SUVs in the game. The XC60 in particular offers Scandinavian design, a top-notch safety record, and excellent build quality. It's not flashy, but it's a solid, understated performer that rarely lets you down. Number 1. Acura TLX. Acura, Honda's luxury arm, delivers a unique mix of Japanese reliability with luxury appointments. The TLX offers sharp styling, a comfortable cabin, and impressive long-term performance. Plus, it's way less expensive to maintain than most German rivals, without sacrificing much in terms of comfort or features. There you have it, 5 luxury cars that prove reliability and refinement can go hand in hand. Which one is your favorite? Or did we miss a reliable luxury gem you swear by? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automotive content, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload.